MicroSD cards are the smallest consumer-focused flash memory cards in use today. They're a variation of the standard SD card and use a similar set of electrical connections. These tiny cards are commonly found in portable electronics like digital cameras, smartphones, and other devices. Today we will explore some of the best MicroSD cards on the market. After testing and evaluating more than 40 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is Samsung Evo Plus MicroSD, a compact storage solution designed for a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to action cameras and drones. With its impressive performance and reliability, this MicroSD card aims to enhance your digital experience. Available in capacities ranging from 32GB to 512GB, the Evo Plus offers ample space for your photos, videos, and files. Whether you're capturing 4K videos or storing high-resolution images, this microSD card has you covered. The Evo Plus boasts UHS 1-speed Class 3 and Class 10 ratings, ensuring smooth data transfer and quick access. Read speeds of up to 100 MB per second and write speeds of up to 90 MB per second make it ideal for demanding tasks. Works seamlessly with a variety of devices, including Android smartphones, tablets, digital cameras, and Nintendo Switch consoles. The included SD adapter allows you to use it in standard SD card slots as well. Built to withstand extreme conditions, the Evo Plus is water-resistant, temperature-proof, X-ray-proof, and magnet-proof. Whether you're on a rugged adventure or simply using it daily, your data remains safe. Backed by Samsung's reputation for quality, the Evo Plus offers peace of mind. It comes with a 10-year limited warranty, so you can trust it to safeguard your memories. Capture stunning photos and videos without worrying about storage limitations. The Evo Plus handles burst shots, time-lapse recordings, and 4K video smoothly. Gamers can expand their Nintendo Switch storage or load games faster. Reduced load times mean more uninterrupted gameplay. Install apps directly on the microSD card to free up internal storage on your phone. Keep your music, documents, and other files organized. The Samsung Evo Plus microSD card strikes a balance between performance, durability, and affordability. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or casual user, this reliable storage solution ensures your data is always within reach. Upgrade your device's storage today with the Evo Plus. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Lexar Professional 1066X MicroSD, a high-performance memory card designed for action cameras, drones, and Android smartphones. With read speeds of up to 160 MB per second and write speeds of up to 130 MB per second, this card ensures smooth data transfer and quick access to your files. It's rated as U3, V30, and A2, making it ideal for capturing high-quality photos and 4K UHD videos. The Lexar Professional MicroSD XC comes in various capacities: 1TB, 512GB, 256GB, 128GB, and 64GB, so choose the one that suits your storage needs. Whether you're recording breathtaking drone footage or capturing action-packed moments on your smartphone, this card delivers excellent performance. It's perfect for Full HD and 4K UHD video recording. The A2 rating means you can run apps directly from the card on your Android device. Load apps faster and enjoy seamless performance. Rigorously tested, the Lexar Professional 1066X MicroSD XC is water, shock, vibration, and X-ray proof. It's built to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring your data remains safe. The card measures 11mm by 15mm by 1mm, making it easy to carry and use across different devices. In summary, the Lexar Professional MicroSD XC UHSI Card Silver Series combines speed, capacity, and durability. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or adventure enthusiast, this card is a reliable companion for your storage needs. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick is SanDisk Extreme Pro MicroSD, a high-performance memory card designed for various devices, including Android smartphones, action cameras, and drones. Let's dive into its features and characteristics. This microSD XC card offers extreme speeds for fast data transfer and app performance. It's ideal for recording 4K UHD video, capturing Full HD video, and taking high-resolution photos. With read speeds of up to 200 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 140 megabytes per second, it ensures smooth operation even during demanding tasks. The card is a 2 rated, which means it provides fast application performance for an exceptional smartphone experience. Apps load quickly, and multitasking becomes seamless. The SanDisk Extreme Pro MicroSD XC card comes in various capacities, including 256 GB. Ample storage space for your media files, apps, and documents. The card is shockproof, waterproof, and temperature-resistant. It can withstand challenging environments, making it suitable for outdoor adventures. Additionally, it's X-ray proof, ensuring your data remains safe during airport security checks. Use it in your Android smartphone to expand storage or record high-quality videos. Pair it with action cameras or drones for capturing stunning footage. Its versatility makes it a reliable choice for various devices. In summary, the SanDisk Extreme Pro MicroSD XC UHS-1 card combines speed, durability, and ample storage capacity. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or smartphone user, this card delivers exceptional performance and peace of mind. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Number 4 on our list is Kingston Canvas Go Plus MicroSD. Designed for adventurers who are always on the move, capturing life's moments. Whether you're using it in your Android mobile device, action camera, drone, or for 4K video production, this microSD card delivers impressive performance and reliability. With read speeds of up to 170 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, the Canvas Go Plus ensures smooth data transfer, allowing you to focus on creating and capturing content without delays. Ideal for action cameras and drones, the U3 and V30 speed ratings make it perfect for recording 4K Ultra HD videos and fast action photos. Say goodbye to dropped frames and slow speeds during critical moments. The Canvas Go Plus supports A2, which means faster app performance on your smartphones and tablets. Apps load quickly, enhancing your overall workflow. Durable and reliable, Kingston's microSD cards are built to withstand extreme conditions. They are water, shock, vibration, and X-ray proof, making them suitable for outdoor adventures and demanding environments. Need to use the microSD card with SD-compatible devices? No problem. The Canvas Go Plus comes with an optional SD adapter for added versatility. Available in capacities from 64 GB to 1 TB. Speed class is UHS-1, U3, V30, A2. It also comes with SD adapter. In summary, the Kingston Canvas Go Plus MicroSD is a reliable companion for content creators, adventurers, and anyone who needs fast and dependable storage. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or recording action-packed moments, this microSD card won't let you down. And the last one on our list is Samsung Evo Select MicroSD, a versatile storage solution that combines speed, reliability, and ample capacity. Whether you're capturing 4K UHD videos, storing high-resolution photos, or expanding your device's memory, this card delivers exceptional performance. With read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, the Evo Select ensures swift data transfer. Whether you're transferring files to your computer or accessing content on your device, this card won't keep you waiting. The Evo Select meets Class 10 and U3 standards, making it ideal for demanding applications. It's perfect for recording 4K UHD videos, capturing high-quality photos, and running resource-intensive apps. The package includes a full-size SD adapter, allowing you to use the microSD card in devices that accept standard SD cards. Use the Evo Select across various devices, including smartphones, tablets, action cameras, drones, and more. It's compatible with both SD and microSD slots. MicroSD card is waterproof and survives up to 72 hours in seawater. Operates in extreme temperatures, from -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Can withstand airport X-ray machines. Resists magnetic fields equivalent to a high-field MRI. With 256 GB of storage, you can store approximately 12 hours of 4K UHD video, 39 hours of Full HD video, 75,200 photos, or 39,400 songs. Samsung stands behind the Evo Select's quality and durability with a 10-year warranty. The Samsung Evo Select MicroSD XC memory card is a reliable companion for content creators, photographers, and anyone who needs extra storage. Its impressive speeds, compatibility, and robust build make it a top choice for expanding your device's capabilities. Whether you're documenting your adventures or enhancing your device's performance, the Evo Select has you covered. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.